So Michael Kors is very, very, very cheap when it comes to US. Get 30% off, 40% off at all times. थोड़ी सी shopping हो गई गलती से थोड़ा सा, you know, gives you Victoria's Secret model energy. I was like, oh my god, people think it's actually real Bottega. मुझे नहीं अच्छी लगी. $68 for a Michael Kors bag. Also, they were basically helpless, useless and helpless. It's a बकवास purchase. मतलब I was so irritated. All the footwear I got on this trip, I love. I've fallen in love with it. Then I got something so cheap, so cheap. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm sharing the last and final US haul. इस वाले haul video में आज मैं आपको सब कुछ बता दूंगी जो मैंने खरीदा है, right from luxury items like my bags, my shoes, my luxury perfumes. I haven't done, no, I won't say that actually. Looking at my table, I have done some amount of luxury purchases and some damage, quite a lot of damage actually, and some clothing items which mostly you must have seen me wear in US itself. I'm going to share everything with you. If you're interested to see everything I got from US fashion and lifestyle edition, then continue watching. If you want to see the beauty edition, I've already done a try on beauty haul जितना भी makeup and skincare मैंने लिया था, and वो link मैं आपके लिए नीचे या फिर ऊपर ये आई में डाल दूंगी, so आप वो भी देख सकते हो ये वीडियो के बाद या अभी देख लो, जब देखना देख लेना. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Sarah. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sarah squad. I'm sure you'll love it here, and also don't forget the bell icon right next to it, so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can dive straight into this. Okay, I'm going to begin from my clothing items. Now, this is the most loved outfit that I got from Nordstrom on my first day only in New York. मैं इतनी packing नहीं करके गई थी. I had taken very select outfits with me because I know US is very famous for their fast fashion, and there are a lot of items like TJ Maxx, Nordstrom Rack are very popular, and उधर इतनी ज़्यादा variety होती है. But after some time, it can also overwhelm you. That's what I felt like when I would enter the store. I would be like, oh, बहुत सारी चीजें एक जैसी दिख रही है. So you really have to spend a lot of time in each store and, like, you know, pick out stuff. It is affordable. Like everything is $20, $25 to, like, you know, $1,500, $1,800. What we get in probably a mall pricing or Myntra pricing जो हम देखते हैं, वो pricing में हमको दुकानों में मिलता है. And I would say it's the same quality. It's sometimes even Bandra Hill Road quality. But you can have a good eye for fashion and you can pick out some really good stuff if you spend time in the store. Now, मैं तो tourist थी. I had to go and see other things also, so I didn't have so much time to spend. But first day with Mally, I ended up spending some good amount of time and picking up some really good things from the Nordstrom Rack in New York City at Union Street. And यहाँ पर I got this cute like fur वाला sweater. It's something like this similar you would get on A La Mode also. So I will link similar purchases for you all from Myntra या कहीं पे भी Indian website पे मुझे दिखेगा, मैं description में आप लोग के लिए डाल दूंगी. It's a nice ribbed sweater, and I saw this brown skirt which is bodycon and it has a slit on it, and I immediately paired them in Nordstrom only. So this became a beautiful fit that I wore in New York, and everybody loved it. The day I posted this on Instagram, my Instagram was like so happy. Like y'all were like, you're looking so nice, so nice. It's going so well with the background. Just neutral colors and woolen in the New York City weather. I don't do skirts that often, but bodycon skirts जो अच्छी length की होती है वो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. इसका material भी बहुत अच्छा है, so I really like this purchase because it's a neutral color. It will go with so many different fits. Then I picked up this from the LA wala TJ Maxx. This is a sea green sweater again. Everything was mostly in the winter edition, and I really like the sleeves. I wore this in Universal Studios. I picked it up for Universal Studios. I wore this with a nice denim. You can wear it with black trousers or even whitewashed denims, and it was such a soft material. The materials over there are really good. That's what I loved क्योंकि इधर आने के बाद भी मैंने 2-3 बार पहने कपड़े, इतनी बार धोए हैं and कुछ नहीं हुआ है. This is another purchase I picked up from TJ Maxx. This is a peplum top, a white peplum top, ribbed material. Wore this in LA at Rodeo Drive. Wore this for my meet and greet with my Sarah squad back when I came back to Bombay. तभी भी मैंने पहना, अभी भी मैंने पहना है. मैं इसको बहुत पहनती हूँ and it is still going strong. So I like the fabrics. They're all in the range of like $20-$25. I didn't spend anything more than that. Okay, then I picked up this very cute top at the Times Square Forever 21. इसकी बहुत funny story है because Forever 21 पे Mally and I were there and it was like second or third day in New York. और मुझे jet lag अभी तक चला नहीं गया था. So it was around 11:30 in the night and I entered a restaurant to eat food. हम Times Square गए थे शाम को और suddenly खाना order करते के साथ ना मुझे इतनी नींद आने लगी. I don't know if the restaurant was really dark. That's why I was feeling very sleepy or what it was. But I was feeling very sleepy and we literally had to request the waiter कि हमारा order अगर दे दिया है तो please आप cancel कर दो because I'll not be able. I'm feeling sick. Like jet lag is not just feeling sleepy. You also feel nauseous, acidic, and you want to throw up. And I was like, I can't eat. We had ordered a pasta, so it was Olive Garden, I remember, and we had ordered a pasta, and I was like, I can't eat, Mally, let's go. And he was like, okay, let's go. So we left. And then I saw that 11:45 one girl has entered Forever 21. And I was like, Malik, Forever 21 is open. He's like, what, at midnight? And I was like, come, we have to go. So we entered Forever 21 and he's like, you were just feeling sleepy. And I was like, इधर बहुत light है तो मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है. Or it is just the shopping that got me excited. But I wanted heels because next day we were going to Brooklyn Bridge with my sari. And I hadn't carried any good pair of heels from India with my sari. So I wanted to buy heels. And the fact that Forever 21 was open and I hadn't purchased one yet, I was like, come, we'll go and we'll pick up heels. And as soon as I entered, I saw this top and I was like, so cute. This bow thing is very much on trend right now. It's all over Pinterest and I've never seemed to find a bow which I find sexy. Like most of the bows are cute, but this top is sexy. It's alternate, it's backless, it's got the perfect cuts in the perfect places. The bows are really beautiful. I love the fit. I love the color cherry red. And Forever 21 actually has a lot of collection in US. India mein to almost har jagah band ho gaya. You still get it on Myntra. But if I can find a similar top for you, bows are all in trend right now everywhere, literally on our body, on our hair, on everything. So I will link something similar, but I love this top purchase. Next I picked up this random like shorts घर में पहनने के लिए, very soft. Like I just touched it in Nordstrom Rack. I touched it and I was like, wow, this is so soft. And this was just $8. So I was like, $8 for these soft shorts to wear घर में, खाली घर में पहनने या नीचे वीचे जाने के लिए. It's perfect. It's a hot pink color. Nothing so fancy about it. I'm more of a utility kind of girl. You all know that. मुझे जो भी चीज comfortable लगती है, I gravitate more towards those things than the fashion. But fashion में भी हमने चीजें ली है. So Michael Kors is very cheap when it comes to US. Like the pricing is like मैं पूरी जिंदगी regret कर रही हूँ कि मैंने यूरोप में इतने expensive Michael Kors के bags लिए हैं in the past, and after finding out US pricing, I can never go back to that. Like, and that too, I got it in Black Friday. So the offers I had in Michael Kors, unreal. So Nordstrom Rack is basically like this store जहाँ पर ना आपको बड़े-बड़े brands मिलेंगे, जैसे Hugo Boss हो गया, Michael Kors हो गया, then I don't know, on the tower, Karl Lagerfeld, Steve Madden. You'll get all these brands which over here in Mumbai we have independent stores. You'll get these brands and you'll get them at sort of like outlet pricing. You get it at 30% off, 40% off at all times. Also, you get mid-luxury brands like Uggs. You can get really designer Valentino and stuff. Also, like एक आधा pieces. You know, you'll get like एक आधा size मिलेगा आपको. ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरा का पूरा like Uggs है तो पूरा collection, Nike है तो पूरा collection. So in size 10, you'll have like it's almost like a thrift store, but not really worn. It's not second hand. It's brand new. I don't know why it's at rack pricing. I don't know if there's minor defect or these are those reject का माल के क्या उनका logic है. But वो डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस पे आपको मिलती है और उसकी क्वालिटी एकदम ब्रांड न्यू है, उसका प्राइस टैग वगैरह सब इंटैक्ट एंड ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग इज एट स्लैश प्राइसिंग. सो इन Michael Kors I got two belts. I got one for mom and one for me. Really good quality belts at just $20 each. $20 is really cheap. Okay, it's H&M pricing for Michael Kors. तो ये रिवर्सेबल बेल्ट मैंने मम्मी के लिए ली because मम्मी wanted a similar belt in Gucci. So I was like, Gucci is very expensive, so we will go for MK just for the feel of it. And she anyways wears most of her tops ऐसा बाहर करके. She doesn't tuck in her tops. So what will she do having such a belt? But just because she wanted it, I got this one in MK and such a good price I picked it up for. So this has the branding of MK canvas on one side with the logo, and on the other side it has the black patent leather. This you can basically just reverse at the base. तो आपका belt दोनों side से functional हो जाता है. Super cool. Even I'm gonna wear it. And for myself, I got a nice nude tan belt because I mostly wear black and dark blue jeans, and I think such a belt would look so good with it. And it has a nice bold buckle. So it's a simple belt, and the branding is not flashy, which is not something I like. So I just wanted something simple, sturdy, and good quality. So these are the two belts I picked up at Nordstrom Rack. I also picked up this cute beanie because I was going to go to Arunachal after my US trip. I knew that already. So I got this at $16 and I wanted a baby pink color. So then I was like, okay, I'll get this also cutesy. This is also MK for $16. Then I got this Yankees cap. This is from an official New York gift store. These are so expensive, like because this is official Yankee merchandise. This was $50 for a topi. But just because you're in New York and you don't get a New York Yankees cap, I mean, come on. So I was like, okay, for merchandise, we end up spending way too much money. Like fridge magnets are $10 and I was like, oh my God, but you need a fridge magnet because how else will my house know that I went to New York, right? So that's why I got this for me, and I got this for Reet. You must have seen it in the mystery box. I love this color. Cherry red is definitely a color of this season that I enjoy wearing also because I think hamari skin tone pe this color looks so nice. Like it makes our skin tone pop, and I love dark darker colors anyway. Like, I mean, look at my smoky eye and brown lip. I'm a dark color choices are my thing, or white, mostly that. That's everything I got in the big pieces of clothing. Now for the teeny tiny pieces of clothing that I picked up when I went to Los Angeles. तब तक Black Friday sale के early offers आ गए थे, and we were at this Ovation Mall. That mall so you can see the Hollywood sign really nicely. तो हम वो chase करते करते गए थे, and then Ovation Mall में थोड़ी सी shopping हो गई गलती से, थोड़ा सा once you reach there हो गई, because Victoria's Secret में there was Black Friday sale offers. So I picked up one bra for myself because bra पे अच्छी वाली bra पे offers नहीं थे, तो this I picked up at almost full price. I think थोड़ा सा discount मिला था. I think final price came out to somewhere around 4,000 rupees after rupees conversion, but this is one of my favorite bras from VS. I already have this in other colors and I really like this color again, cherry red, almost burgundy. Love this color. It's got the lightest padding and it's got no underwire, but बहुत crazy good support देता है आपको. So that's what I really like, and plus the neckline is plunging, so you can wear it with a variety of tops. Like you can see this neckline. I can wear it with something like this and it will give me a very seamless fit, but it will also give me a seamless fit with a deep neck V-top. Adjustable, got some gold detailing. I wear the size 36C now. I used to wear 36D before. I'm slightly one cup down. Koi brands mein I can wear D also, but this gives me a nice push up, like slight push up and some padding, and looks really nice. So I didn't try it. I already knew my size, so I picked it up. And then there was an offer on panties. I got 5 panties for $30. So I thought that was a good deal to get. तो इसलिए मैंने 5 अच्छी panties अपने लिए pick up कर ली. Got this nice lavender one, which is like easy peasy, like everyday wear. Then I got this with their classic white branding जो उन लोग की होती है. Sometimes jeans से if it's visible also it looks cool, but I got the thong variant this time. Proper hipsters I already have, so I got thongs this time around. Then I got a nice full butt coverage wali lace panty in this color, and then I got this simple same वो lavender जैसी घर में पहनने के लिए in navy blue. There's one more which I picked up. These are not seamless, so one more I picked up is a dark brown seamless color. It's literally like my skin tone in a seamless panty जो already मैंने use कर लिया है and it's gone in laundry. I also got the classic VS signature pink and white robe. I always used to dream about these fuzzy robes from Victoria's Secret, and every time I went into VS it was way too expensive. It's overpriced for sure. Like full price में ये almost $56 की आती है, but because there was a Black Friday offer, I got this only for $35 and I was like, okay, now I think I should just buy it, because मैं कितनी बार like airports पे Victoria's Secret होता है जब मुझे layover होता है, मैं कितनी बार देखा है, but I was like नहीं बहुत महंगा है, like 5,000 का robe कौन पहनेगा, because घर में ही बैठ के पहनते ये सब. Like I make videos, I know, but mostly it's at home, but it's very soft, very fuzzy. I love it. मेरा makeup लग गया, but I love it. It's super cute and very like it gives you Victoria's Secret model energy, so I like that energy for myself. And it's a good length also. Since I'm tall, it's nice, like knee tak to aata hai mujhe. So I'm very happy with this purchase. It was like a tiny dreamy purchase for me. Alright, let's dive into the accessories that I've gotten. First, I've got this dupe of the Bottega Veneta Jodi bag. You must know that this is a very popular brand, very popular bag. Like जैसे ही मैंने ये post किया था with that nude outfit, everyone in the comments, all my Sarah squad were like, oh, new Bottega bag, congratulations on your new Bottega bag. I was like, oh my god, people think it's actually real Bottega. But honestly, you can't really tell because I've never been into a Bottega store and I've not felt the real Jodi bag, so I don't know what the texture is like. Of course, if you have that keen eye for detail, you can tell. This luxury bag does not have any branding on top. It's an easy dupe, like easy dupe. The knot detailing, the size, the color, everything is such a dupe. And I'm not one to buy dupe bags, but it was too good a purchase to miss out on. So I got this for like literally $40 and I was like, yes, mine. Last piece tha ye TJ Maxx mein, and one of my Sarah squad also, shout out to Mehreen, she also got this on her New York trip from TJ Maxx in black color. And she was like, oh my god, I have the same bag, and she sent it to me on Instagram, and I was like, twins on our dupe Bottega bag. So this was such a steal purchase. तो ऐसी मतलब मस्त वाली शॉपिंग हो जाती है यूएस में, जैसे सस्ती मस्ती बोलते हैं ना, वैसी वाली शॉपिंग. बैग्स आई विल शो यू नेक्स्ट. आपको डेफिनेटली बांद्रा हिल रोड में मिल जाएगा. आई गॉट दिस इन नॉर्डस्ट्रीम, एंड ये जो चमकीले ऐसे बैग्स होते हैं, डेफिनेटली यू विल फाइंड इट एट हिल रोड और लिंकिंग रोड और समथिंग. एंड बट आई सॉ देम ओवर देयर एंड आई पिक्ड इट अप बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक, ऐसे बैग्स के लिए मैं ज्यादा पैसा खर्चा नहीं करूंगी. लाइक माइकल कॉर्स में देयर वाज अ सिमिलर बैग व्हिच वाज 15,000 rupees, एंड आई वाज लाइक नो, वन ऑफ मैं ऐसे बैग्स कैरी करती हूँ. आई एम नॉट अ ग्लिटरी बैग काइंड of person. I will only maybe wear it to an Indian wedding and mostly keep it in the car and not even like style it with my outfit because Indian outfits are so heavy. So I mostly like to accessorize with jewelry over bags in Indian outfits. So that's the reason why I was like, I'm not going to invest too much money. I just got these for like $15, which is roughly around 1000 rupees. Udhar hi pakad ke chalo. Silver one, which has a like semi-circle detail and it's a crossbody strap है. उस पे normal, literally like जैसे normal bags हमको रास्ते पे मिलते हैं ना वैसी quality है इसकी. Nothing so fancy, nothing great in quality or anything, but very functional for events. For me, for events, for shoots, that is the reason why I got it in different finishes. And yeah, that was the only reason why I picked it up. I'm not a shimmery bag kind of person. I've got like cutesy accessories from Forever 21, like this pearl bracelet. ऐसे बहुत सारे मैंने accessories pick up किए हैं. मेरे पास silver इतनी jewelry है नहीं, तो शेरन ने honestly मुझे ऐसी list दी थी कि ये हमारे पास नहीं है तो लेके आना. तो कुछ भी फिजूल खर्ची नहीं हुई है. I've ended up shopping mostly what I know I will need at events or something like that. So silver में I picked up like 2, 3, 4 hoops. Then I also picked up this matte white hoop set. So there's like bigger hoops, chotu hoops, different styles of hoops. Then also hoops which have rhinestone on them. So hoops are the culture. Also picked up a silver necklace just in case I need to layer. I don't do a lot of silver jewelry, but I want to start doing it and I want to start experimenting with my fashion also. Like in 2024, I think I did a good job with my fashion, and Sharon is mainly to thank for that because her sense of style is so nice, and it's nice that she considers my personal style and then accessorizes on it, because I've always been somebody who chooses comfort over style, but now I've realized that even if you're comfortable, you can be fashionable. It's not like either or choose karna. And my 2024, I loved my outfits on every holiday, on every personal trip, on any event. I personally loved my outfits. So when you love them, you carry them off with more grace also. So that's why I added accessories that will allow me to experiment a little more with my fashion in 2025. And yeah, these celestial earrings are definitely my favorite because they're gold and they're lovely and dangly. Then I got these cute clips, which you must have seen it in my vlog already. Like these cute clips जो आप side में ऐसे लगा सकते हो जब आप makeup कर रहे हो. These have these beach chappals on them and a rainbow. I mean, for me, it's very useful because I do my makeup videos for y'all. And I got also these bow ones. This is not from Forever 21. This is from a store in Koreatown. Random store, और इसमें से bows बने हुए. Very cute. Cutesy stuff is what I picked up from, like, you know, छोटो मोटो purchases हो गए. और ये सारा कुछ actually मेरे लिए बहुत useful होता है. Just here and there. Coming to छोटो things, I bought chotu perfumes this time from Sephora. I bought the mini Kayali vanilla combo duo. Now I have never really tried Kayali perfume. I have tried it in store, but I've never owned it and seen how it wears on me. So this time I thought I would buy the minis because I never buy full size in a store. I have this friend of mine who gets it at steal prices for me because they work in import-export of perfume, so they get me really good discounts on perfumes. I always get full size from her, but I get my minis from stores because she doesn't keep minis with her. They don't trade in minis. So I just wanted to try minis. This came for $20 in Sephora. तो इस बार मैंने पहली बार actually minis लिए because travel करने बहुत convenient होता है. इनकी bottle बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute है यार, मतलब इतनी perfect है. Exactly जो बड़ी bottle है उसी का छोटा version है, and ऐसा इत्तर जैसा है. There is no like piss on it. There is only like a ढक्कन, and you have to take like this and put it. And Kayali perfumes wear really nicely on me. Like अगर थोड़ा सा भी लगाया ना, मेरा पूरा room इसके जैसे smell करने लगता है. I got vanilla and vanilla candy, and I'm obsessed with both. I'm gonna get my friend to get me both of them like full size because they're really nice and very bougie vanilla kind of fragrances, and this fill the room, so they last also really long. Another mini luxury perfume that I picked up, which I did not like that much, is Prada Paradox. I got the Prada Paradox set for $40 from Sephora, and this is a purchase I regret making for sure. It was such a hyped perfume and everyone was like, oh, love it. So I also did love it. मैंने खुशबू जब ली थी स्टोर में, मुझे खुशबू अच्छी लगी थी, but it is not long wearing at all. Like you cannot smell this on you at all. Like मेरे पे तो नहीं टिकती है, पता नहीं किस पे टिक रही है, मुझ पे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं टिक रही थी. So this is the duo. It comes with one mist bottle and it comes with this छोटू mini, which is exactly like बड़े bottle का छोटा. इसका ढक्कन भी उनके जैसा ही है. Like you don't get the spray. You get a spray nozzle on this one, this misting bottle. This is, you can see how much I've already used, so you know that I have put effort into trying this out. Actually was using it in Los Angeles a lot to see कि you know कैसी है, अच्छी लग रही है. अभी मैंने खरीदा है प्राडा तो मैं पहनूंगी उधर, बट मुझे नहीं अच्छी लगी. मतलब मुझे टिक नहीं रही है. जितनी मेरी बर्बेरी की परफ्यूम्स टिकती है उतनी प्राडा की परफ्यूम्स आर नॉट लास्टिंग. सो आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड. लाइक लग्जरी परफ्यूम्स मोस्टली ऑलमोस्ट all that I have last on me. Valentino, Armani, Burberry. Burberry lasts the longest. Then which other brand I've tried? Jimmy Choo. Yeah, most of the Calvin Klein, really long lasting perfumes. So this is my first Prada perfume and I'm not a fan of it. So I mean, this is the only purchase I regret making and I'm sad because $40 is a lot. Then I told you MK had steal prices. So Michael Kors, I picked up this chotu bag for Sabrina. She actually wanted a tote bag and I went into MK thinking that I'll get her a tote. I went into Coach also thinking I'll get her a tote. But मुझे tote का collection अच्छा ही नहीं लग रहा था. She already has an MK tote. She has the normal canvas of Coach, normal canvas of MK. So I thought कुछ हटके लेंगे. But ऐसा कुछ हटके collection आया नहीं था. Now everybody's into these small bags. So they are doing more of these small bags only. They had a good variety of small bags and there was Black Friday. So I got this at, guess what, like $68. $68 for a Michael Kors bag. Like that was so cheap. I was like, are you sure it's $68? मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था कि इतना सस्ता है. It's so cute. अभी मैं जियो मॉल गई थी और इसका full price देख के I was like, you would never know that how much I got this. So I just went to Jio Mall yesterday. So this is a very good deal. It's a cutesy bag. Sabrina, I know, will not carry it very, like, you know, ज़्यादा नहीं पहनेगी इसको, but वो पहनेगी someday because now she has a son and, you know, she always carries a sansar in her bag. But sometimes if she's going for lunch with her friends or dinner, like, it's a cutesy bag to carry. She doesn't have something like this. So I was like, it's a good addition to her collection. दो छोटे pockets भी है. She can put her AirPods, she can put her money and her phone, and that's all you need, you know, and her lipstick and whatever. Cute, like carry it like this, and mostly Ishan will only carry it. But yeah, I loved it, so I picked it up for her. I didn't like anything for me or mummy in MK. Then when I went to Coach, I liked a lot in Coach. And Coach, it was not ऐसा कुछ एकदम सस्ता. And when I said that in the vlog also, you all told me that you should go to the outlet mall in New York to get like really cheap pricing in Coach. I knew there's an outlet mall in US, but I was not looking to do very, like, बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे designer purchases करने नहीं थे. So mostly these super luxury brands like your LV, Dior and your Hermes, all of these brands are actually Parisian and they are all Europe based. So whenever I travel that side, which I love traveling more that side, first you get the best deals. The outlet malls are super pretty and you also get VAT refund. You don't get VAT refund in US, which is why I was not a fan of shopping luxury in US. I did shop a decent amount, but I didn't go crazy like I went in Spain, or when I go in Paris I pick up like one bag जो बहुत महंगा होगा, but I'll do that one purchase, you know, when I go to Paris. I didn't do that in US because I was like, no, I wanted the Gucci Marmont in cherry red. It was so gorgeous, so gorgeous. मतलब मैंने try भी किया and it was looking stunning, but I controlled myself and I got a similar bag in Coach. So when I went to Grove in LA, Gucci was next to Coach. So I went to Gucci, I tried the Marmont and I was like, it was almost coming up to be 2.5 lakhs. I was like, that's a lot of money. I cannot, utna tha bhi nahi Forex card mein. But then I went to Coach and I saw the same exact color in almost the same style in the Pillow Tabby. And Pillow Tabby is the premium range of Coach. Ye si soft wali bag hai, the soft variant. And a lot of people have Pillow Tabby. You must have seen this around on the internet. Lots of colors are available. This was a new color because cherry red was the color of the season. I went around November, December, and this I liked because it had silver hardware. So this doesn't have gold hardware, it has silver hardware. So that's why I decided to go for it. The shoulder strap, the C, everything is in silver. It's not in gold like all my other bags are. So if I ever want to accessorize with silver jewelry, जो मैंने अभी खरीदा है, for like more of a grunge look, then I can do that with this bag. And red bags are actually super useful. Okay, मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता था कि red bag कौन खरीदेगा और कौन पहनेगा. I have this one Chotu Furla bag and we carry it the most with almost all my dresses and outfits, and I've worn that bag the most in my life ever since I got it. So that's when I realized that a red bag is very useful, very value for money. It comes with a compartment at the back. It comes with this name tag that I got customized that says SAR on it. I got SAR on my Dior also, so I thought since customization available hai, karwa lete hai. There is a section in front over here, like chotu sa section, where you can keep any forms or paperwork you want to, and there's enough space inside. So it's a very good, spacious, utilitarian bag. And the Pillow Tabby is a classic. You can make it a long strap if you want. Like ये ऐसा लंबा कर सकते हो, एक shoulder पे पहनने, cross body पहनने, या आप इसको छोटा भी कर सकते हो, and you can carry it like this. A nice bag. For mom, I got the regular Tabby. This is the regular Tabby in the rectangle bada size, and Pooja actually got this recently for herself, and I really liked it. And I think it's a classic for mummy. She wanted a good cross body. She said cross body. So this one comes with a longer strap. आप इसको cross body बना सकते हो. आप इसको shoulder शोल्डर बैग के जैसा कैरी कर सकते हो एंड इट हैज द लोगो ओवर हियर सेम लाइक ऑलमोस्ट द सेम एज द पिलो टैबी बट पिलो टैबी का टेक्सचर अलग है, ये थोड़ा सॉफ्ट टेक्सचर है, इस पे क्रीसेस जल्दी आएंगे, ये आप थोड़ा संभाल के तो यूज करना पड़ता है बिकॉज ये व्हाइट बैग है ना, मम्मी ने क्रिसमस पे कैरी किया था, ऑलरेडी थोड़ा थोड़ा रेड लग गया है इस पे, तो आई एम गोना टेक इट टू द कोच स्टोर हियर इन जियो मॉल एंड आस्क देम हाउ वी कैन क्लीन इट. I think they have cleaning services, you can pay for it or I don't know how it works but they have cleaning services. This is a much more spacious bag than the one I picked up. It's a bigger variant, it has a zip feature over here and for mom also I got a customization done over here that says SS, so this was like mom's Christmas gift and she carried it on Christmas and उसपे लाल color already लग चुका है. My last purchase from Coach is a good pair of black patent leather heels. I saw these and I fell in love. This was not something I needed. Think they are really smart, like very smart pair of heels with a short box heel and a patent shiny patent leather, एकदम minimal branding है, these pointed toes look so smart and मैं लंबी हूँ, मैं ज़्यादा लंबी heel पहनती नहीं हूँ तो ये साइज भी मेरे लिए परफेक्ट है और ये बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. I wore this in the Google office tour in LA and I had to walk so much over there. It was comfortable for me. Then I wore it recently to an event also and I was comfortable there as well. I can drive in these and I like such pair of footwear. So actually have Coach footwear पहले हो तो I bought a चप्पल from them and मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं कोच के फुटवेयर, ज्यादा महंगे भी नहीं होते एंड कंफर्टेबल होते, बहुत लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होते. जो मैंने स्पेन में लिया था वो आज भी मेरे पास है. फ्रॉम माइकल कॉर्स आई ऑल्सो पिक्ड अप दिस वेरी डेंटी गोल्ड वॉच दैट यू कैन सी मी वेयर राइट नाउ. दिस इज लाइक अ Cartier dupe. Cartier came out with this very dainty watch pattern and everybody's been obsessed with like dainty old money culture now. It screams very like 90s old money aesthetic and I've mostly been into big dials always. I've not been somebody who likes small dials but abhi small dial in rectangle looks really classy. Small dial in round I'm still not a fan of and as soon as I saw this one I fell in love. It's a nice gold, shiny gold and thode rhinestone detailing है, बहुत ही सुंदर watch है. So this is the other purchase I picked up from Michael Kors. This cost me around $225. Yeah, that's the price on this one which I think is a good price. This was not on Black Friday. this में कुछ offer वगैरह नहीं था, full price पे मुझे मिली है. I'm gonna keep the most expensive for the last. I also picked up this very shiny hairband at Forever 21 because Purnima said we needed this for our Gossip Girl moment. So this was that Gossip Girl purchase I made. Coming to a little bit of merchandise, I picked up this yellow Friends frame from the Friends Experience. I think this is such a treasured merchandise purchase for me. I'm gonna put mine and Purnima's photo from the Friends Experience in this and keep this in my studio room. I was waiting to show it to y'all. अभी तक मैंने आप लोग को नहीं दिखाया इसलिए मैंने अभी तक वो फोटो डाली नहीं है. आप इसको दरवाजे पे भी लगा सकते हो and this would be so perfect on the door because it would remind you of the Friends door. And I mean my Friends fan, you all would know how precious this is. It is from the authentic store, तो एकदम ही yellow frame is bright yellow, so cute. I love it and it's a photo frame. I also got these funny looking chashmas in Forever 21 and I did end up wearing them in New York. I mean such quirky frames we don't end up buying from designers, so it's nice, it's chill, nothing so fancy. I have so much more to show. Now a lot of y'all were asking me how was my hair looking so straight in US, what did I carry because Dyson doesn't work over there and Indian tools don't work over there. So I did this trick which didn't really trick very well. It tricked me. It tricked me. Okay, so basically I was talking to a friend and she told me that there's this salon store called Dry Bar in US and you can buy from them and they have a 30-day exchange period or return and refund period. And she was like खरीद ले अपने बाल like use कर लेना and फिर LA में refund कर लेना, like return देके पैसा ले लेना. And I was like ठीक है, like बहुत लोग करते हैं in US all this tactics and I was like honestly मेरे लिए काम नहीं आएगा because ना तो मेरे Indian tools US में चलेंगे हेयर वाले, ना तो मैं उधर से जो खरीद के आऊंगी मुझे इंडिया में चलने वाला है. और ये गलती मैं पहले भी एक बार कर चुकी हूँ. मेरी फ्रेंड की बहन से मैंने एक कर्लिंग वॉन्ड मंगाया था इंडिया यूएस से एंड वो काम नहीं किया बिकॉज उनका वोल्टेज और हमारे वोल्टेज में फर्क है. तो अपनी गवर्नमेंट जितना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देती है दैट्स मोर हायर इन वोल्टेज एज कंपेयर टू व्हाट वी गेट इन यूएस. सो दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई देयर डिवाइसेस लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स विल नॉट वर्क ओवर हियर. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके आई विल डू दिस. सो इट्स एक्सपेंसिव. ओके, सो आई वेंट टू अ ड्राई बार स्टोर एंड आई पिक्ड अप दिस. इट्स कॉल्ड द सिंगल शॉट ब्लो ब्रश. इट्स बेसिकली लाइक योर एलन ट्रूमन ब्लो ब्रश and this is what I was using to get my blow dry every day. It's very good. बहुत strong हवा आती है इससे, बहुत फटाफट आपके बाल ड्राई हो जाते हैं और बहुत स्मूथ रहते हैं. It's frizz free. प्लस उधर का वेदर इतना अच्छा है कि आपको फ्रिज और ह्यूमिडिटी का दिक्कत होता ही नहीं है, स्पेशली इन नवंबर दिसंबर. सो all in all it was good and it served its purpose. And I had checked their website and everything properly कि हाँ you can buy from any dry bar store in US and exchange in any dry bar store in US. If you buy online then you need to courier it to them and then they will give you the refund. So this was their policy, very clearly mentioned. So I did that. I bought it on the first day in New York. This cost me $280, almost 28,000. This is so much money. I was so livid. So I bought this so expensive. I could have easily bought a Revlon or something blow brush for $60, $70 अगर मुझे पता होता कि जब मैं LA पहुंची तो जो लेडी ने मेरे को न्यूयॉर्क में दिया उसने मेरा अकाउंट कुछ बना ही नहीं, जबकि मुझे प्रिंट रिसीट ईमेल पे आई थी. She took my email address. I got the receipt on my email. So I had my email to show them. I had my print receipt, everything, but they were like, we can't find your account. We can't find your account. In LA, I went to 3 dry bar stores that day and I couldn't find my account in any one of them. Then Purnima called the New York store and the lady was very rude, very snobbish, and she was like, I can't help you. I can't help you. We called the customer service. They were like, we don't help for the store people. So they were basically helpless and useless and helpless. और लोग कहीं से भी help नहीं कर पा रहे थे ना. तो customer service was taking responsibility of the stores. न्यूयॉर्क वाली बोल रही थी हमको यहाँ पर भी आपका स्टोर नहीं दिख रहा है. हम उनको रिसीट दिखा रहे जो ईमेल एड्रेस पे आई है, बट स्टिल दे वर नॉट टेकिंग एनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर इट. एंड LA वाले स्टोर से बोल रहे थे अभी हमको अकाउंट ही नहीं मिल रहा है तो हम एक्सचेंज कंडक्ट ही कैसे करेंगे या रिफंड देंगे आपको जब प्रोडक्ट हमारे इन्वेंट्री में दिख ही नहीं रहा है. तो कहाँ बहस करने का. तो नाउ आई ऑलरेडी हैव अ ब्लो ड्रायर फॉर माय नेक्स्ट ट्रिप टू US सो दैट आई यूज इट द नेक्स्ट टाइम आई गो. एनीबॉडी हु इज गोइंग टू US यू कैन कम होम एंड टेक दिस एंड गो फॉर योरसेल्फ. तो आपके बाल भी स्ट्रेट रहेंगे बिकॉज मेरे लिए तो ये काम का ही नहीं है ना. मैं क्या करूंगी इसका. इसे बकवास परचेज है. मतलब आई वाज सो irritated this entire morning. This is the rodeo drive vlog day. The entire morning this is what Purnima and I were doing, just going from dry bar to dry bar in West Hollywood trying to exchange this and कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. अगले दिन भी वापस हमने कोशिश की कॉल पे बट कुछ नहीं हुआ. Useless only. Don't buy. Even if it's good, don't buy. Go to Ulta Beauty. When you go to US, go to Ulta, buy a $60 Revlon and use it on your trip. और फिर उधर ही रख के आ जाना. बकवास. Anyway, or don't use a curling cream. I don't know, man. All the footwear I got on this trip, I love. I've fallen in love with it. The Coach ones, I'm obsessed with. These beautiful boots that I got from Nordstrom, obsessed with them. Nordstrom Rack, okay? I don't know which brand this is, but I tried these on in the New York vlog. आपने देखा होगा. They are like above the knee, below, like calf length boots, and they are below knee boots. They are so stunning, so stunning. The color is this cool toned tan, and I love it. I love the detailing. I love the buckle. They're very comfortable also. मैं पूरा दिन न्यूयॉर्क में चली हूँ इनके साथ and I've been comfortable in it. It's warm and the best part is that behind this, like this material is stretchy fabric, so your calf doesn't feel like, you know, पूरा leather नहीं है तो आपको ऐसा leather में uncomfortable नहीं लगता है the leather because this side has breathable fabric. So I've enjoyed wearing these so much and I really hope to keep them nicely. Next, you also saw in Nordstrom Rack I picked up my first pair of UGG boots. Now these are very popular in the US. This brand called Uggs makes these tan boots. And inside there's very comfortable wool. They are honestly the most comfortable pair of footwear I have ever worn. Ever. Like you will feel like you're walking on cloud. अगर ये पहन के you are walking in US, you will be comfortable throughout the day. They look really nice. मेरे तो पूरे गंदे हो गए थे तो पापा ने उसको धो भी दी है तो अभी वो clean भी हो गए. Like बहुत मुश्किल से he's washed it because this material is not like your regular canvas. It's almost suede and it's difficult to wash them, but he has washed it. So it's lost a little bit of shape, but that's okay once I start wearing it. Maybe I'll keep newspaper and I'll keep them. I got this for $122, which is a good price because it was Nordstrom Rack and very comfortable. So absolutely worth it. Then I got something so cheap that I was like, wow, this is just $14 for these very cute vintage sandals. Like mummy was like, मेरे लिए ऐसी सब चीजें नहीं लाती है. I was like, मम्मी एक तो विंटेज स्टोर में ना मिलता नहीं है चीजें इजीली. इट वाज अ विंटेज थ्रिफ्ट इन ब्रुकलिन एंड मैली वाज चेकिंग थिंग्स फॉर हिमसेल्फ एंड आई जस्ट सॉ दिस रैंडमली, ट्राइड इट ऑन और फिर टर्न करके प्राइस देखी. आई वाज लाइक सिर्फ $14. एक का 14 है, दो का 28 ऐसा कुछ होगा. इट्स लाइक नो, both are for $14. Sarah, don't be stupid, buy it. It's so cute, so cute. The shape is perfect. It's very old money aesthetic, very vintage, very comfortable, and a nice tan color with this gold detailing. I loved it so much. And then the last pair of footwear I got are from Forever 21, these black heels that I was talking about कि मुझे heels चाहिए थी इसलिए हम Forever 21 में घुसे थे. And I got these simple black rhinestone heels. They're not the most comfortable, they are uncomfortable, but they are pretty nonetheless. And ये sarees पे या मेरे Christmas outfit पे भी ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. मैंने क्रिसमस आउटफिट पे पहना था. वेरी फेमिनिन सॉर्ट ऑफ यू नो ऐसा लड़की जैसा वाइब देता है आपको तो अच्छा ही लगता है मतलब ड्रेसेस वगैरह के नीचे. इट्स टाइम फॉर द लास्ट एंड फाइनल आइटम एंड आई हैव सेव्ड द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव फॉर द last, and that is my pair of Miu Miu Chachma. My Miu Miu Chachma was the most expensive, unexpected thing I purchased. I did go with a mindset to pick up Celine sunglasses, which were viral. I was talking about them in my New York vlog when I went shopping. I honestly did not know that Miu Miu is so expensive. These styles very weirdly looked good on me. Like, I'm not somebody who looks good with smaller frames. मेरे पे हमेशा बड़ी frames ही अच्छे लगते हैं. I have a big forehead, a big face, so I've always worn bigger frames. But smaller frames have never complimented me. But when I wore these, it actually looked good. Like, Purnima was like, it's looking very nice. It was screaming like old money aesthetic, and I'm very happy with this purchase. It's got this greenish tint to it, no ombre, but I love the side frame. It looks very smart, very classy, and again very Gen Z also, because a lot of Gen Zs are nowadays wearing these round frames. I'm happy with the purchase overall. I see myself wear this quite often. I'm just very surprised at the price tag. I have a lot of luxury sunglasses, but these are my most expensive, and I never thought Miu Miu would be my most expensive sunglass. You know, that's why I'm kind of surprised still. But I'm happy with them because they look good. And now that I have them, I will not get the Celine mostly. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. This is everything that I shop from US for myself. Whatever I bought for gifting reasons, I've already given everybody I was supposed to gift. So this is everything I got only for myself. And then the 2 bags I showed you for Sabrina and Mummy. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it entertaining, found it helpful. Also, maybe I try to leave prices wherever possible. I will leave similar products and even same product links. Jitna bhi main link kar sakti hu description mein, I will put it for you. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you did, it really helps with the algorithm, guys. Please hit the like button. Share it with your friends who are going to US. अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए तो थोड़ा hint दे दो. आप लोग अपने लिए भी मंगा सकते हो अपने friends से. For today's video, Saras shout out goes to Sayyad Mehwish. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video, Saras shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Saras Squad and chance to be part of my next video, Saras Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.